Guam suicide death rates were twice the rates of the U.S.
Some of the most significant data comes from the admissions to Guam Behavioral Health and Wellness, people that were admitted for suicidal ideation or suicide attempts. So in 2019, right, while there were more individuals that were admitted to Guam Behavioral Health and Wellness Center, overall, the rate for those that were admitted with suicidal ideation or suicide attempts was doubled in 2020. So in 2019, we had 121 individuals that had individuals that either attempted suicide or had some suicidal ideation. But in 2020, that number skyrocketed to 267. So it doubled. The isolation was one of the biggest factors that came to that really hit people hard, because being stuck at home, people weren't able to go out and participate in many of their like stress relievers that they would normally do, whether it's just going out for a drive or just going out talking with your friends, hanging out. Some people like going to the clubs, others like just going to watch a movie, but people couldn't do any of that. You were stuck at home. You were afraid to go and see extended family members because people were afraid like grandma would get COVID and then possibly die. And so there was a huge stressor when it came to that. And it was also just like a really enormous experience that nobody's experienced before.
On Guam, it's always been the age group that has the highest rate of suicide is the 15 to 24 age group, at least for 2020 statistics. And so I believe that it's just because because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but also too because of our culture. A lot of our culture is collectivistic, and so we value intimate time with our family and our friends, and that this pandemic really took away a lot of opportunities to connect, because a lot of people were scared of getting each other sick. And it's my greatest hope that now that everything is reopening, that the numbers will go down, but I can only hope. But the shocking thing is that if you're a member of the LGBTQ community, your numbers are even higher. So I really hope that there will be more awareness towards the issue, and also too that there will be also help towards the LGBTQ community, especially our youth. I mean, in America, Caitlyn Jenner and her transition was celebrated, but I feel like Guam is not at that level yet. But with time and education, And, you know, it starts with our youth. So, like I said before, investing in programs in our schools would definitely make a difference. And so we should definitely get started with that.